Welcome to Marketing Campaign Analysis with Sigma, a next-generation cloud analytics and business intelligence platform. Sigma enables marketing analysts and campaign managers to analyze data without the limitations of traditional spreadsheets. Sigma was purpose-built for the cloud, and through exploration with a spreadsheet-like interface at unlimited scale, it allows analysts to keep their finger on the pulse of their active campaigns. Let's start by opening the Campaign Sigma workbook to get an overview of our campaigns, which provides us with key metrics for our active campaigns. This is where most business intelligence solutions end, but for Sigma, this is just the beginning. Looking at our lead generation over time, we can see that a majority of our leads are coming from marketing campaigns. We can expand this chart to see the millions of underlying records that make up this visualization. Let's explore which marketing campaigns are generating the most leads. The Increase Your Productivity campaign is generating the highest volume of leads. We now want to know which company segment is driving these leads. We click on this campaign and see we can drill in any direction. Let's drill down on segment. It appears that a majority of our leads are being driven by our enterprise targets. But how well are we doing in converting our leads? We can answer this by creating the calculation directly in the spreadsheet-like interface in the chart. Let's sum the qualified leads and divide it by the total leads for each segment. We'll call this conversion. Next, let's modify the chart to view leads and conversion rates side by side. Although commercial accounts make up a much smaller percentage of our leads, they are converting into qualified leads at a much higher rate. But maybe this is only a small portion of the overall campaign pipeline. Let's find out. We can hide the current metrics and add the opportunity amount broken out by stage within the same visualization. It looks like enterprise has a large portion of revenue stuck in stage 2. Let's share this observation with others who are exploring this workbook by adding a comment. Next, let's find out how we are doing in converting the leads in the campaign to closed business by filtering on the closed one. We can see the commercial accounts are generating the most revenue. This is where we need to focus this campaign. Let's see if we can find our best source of leads. We will drill down on the commercial segment to answer this final question. We can see that the best source for the campaign are Google Ads. This is where we should be allocating more budget for commercial targets for this campaign. As we've seen, Sigma is so easy that anyone can use it, including non-technical business users, to uncover actionable insights within minutes. For more information about Sigma, please contact us today.